Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix no audio output device is installed in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you're facing the issue that your speaker is not working, or you might seeing the error which is no audio installed. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing, you just have to go right click on this start button, then go to device manager, and now in device manager you just have to try to update your audio drivers. So just look for audio devices. So here just expand this one, and then you just have to update all of these drivers. So here's the speaker. I'm gonna update this one. Just search for automatically for drivers. Then here's the microphone. Update this one also. So using the same method, you can easily update everyone's driver from here. Once updated, your issue must have to be fixed. Or if it's still not fixed issue, just go back. And here you just have to press Windows plus R, then search for services.msc. Just right here, services.msc. Press OK or enter from your keyboard. Now click on anyone from here, then press W from your keyboard. And here look for audio, right click on it, and then click on